Hello, lovelies. Do you ever have those feelings of stress, where your mind is neither here nor there, is playing out lots of scenarios that are pretty unhelpful for you to feel confident about moving forward? Or maybe even your mind feels a bit paralysed and a bit stuck and a little bit, I don't know what the best thing to do. That kind of feeling of spinning into a feeling rather than a helpful mindset. So I want to give you a couple of tips that you can just pull out of your toolkit, use in an instant, that will bring you back into yourself. So what happens when the mind is spinning and you have those unhelpful feelings is that your mind has leapt into the future. It's leapt into different spaces that is not the present. And where all your resources are, your power is in this present, in this moment right now. So the first thing I want you to do is just bring into awareness that you're doing that. Just think, oh, I am noticing that my mind is jumping around and I can't keep up with it, and it's giving my body a sensory overload. So therefore I'm not feeling as strong as I normally feel. So just have that in your awareness to start off with. The next tip is that helps bring the mind back to you is to ask the mind to focus on your breathing. And just notice that you are breathing. Notice where you're breathing from. You're breathing from your diaphragm, you're breathing from your chest, or you're just breathing in and out through your mouth. So just bring your awareness into this moment, this breath right now. And then the next tip is, it's a really great tip for feeling rooted and centered and balanced. So I want you to imagine that your feet are growing roots through the bottoms of your soles, deep into the earth, deep, deep, deep down into the ground, deep down. And then they find a boulder and they wrap around this boulder, therefore enabling you to feel that you are supported, that you're anchored. And then I want you to your body to feel like it's like a willow tree rather than a strong oak tree that is immovable and just inflexible. We want for you in your life flexibility. We want flow. We want you to be in your power, in your flow. So just imagine you have roots growing out down into the ground, and that you yourself are able to move in any direction that feels powerful and right for you. So when you do those three things, and you can do those three things in 30 seconds anywhere, there should be a really quick resource for you to grab onto into your mindset toolkit that will support you getting back into your power really quickly. One is be aware of where your mind's at and where it's gone to. Ask it to come back to the present by connecting into your breathing. Then make you feel like you're feeling stable, secure, grounded, rooted, centered and balanced. I hope those tips are helpful, that you can just pull them out of your mindset resource kit anytime that you need it. And I hope you have a lovely day. Lots of love. Mwah!